Hey everyone, it's Josh here from ATM Stake Pool and welcome back to the Adapulse YouTube channel. And if you're wondering who Adapulse is, we're the cool guys, bringing you all the latest Cardano info and crypto deep dives. You know, think of us as your blockchain bestie, you know, keeping you in the know. And fun fact, Adapulse is funded through Project Catalyst. So that's a Cardano community initiative that proves decentralization isn't just like a buzzword, it's like a lifestyle for us. But today we're exploring decentralized applications, or DApps, if you like, on Cardano. Now, these little wonders are like the rebellious cousins of your apps that you got on your phone. They're popping up everywhere on the Cardano blockchain. Now, but if you want to support this video and the ecosystem, delegate your ADA to ATM Stake Pool. It's a bit like tipping your waiter, but with crypto rewards. But anyway, buckle up. Let's jump into the wild world of DApps. So what are DApps anyway? So what is a DApp? Picture your go-to app, say the one you use to, I don't know, order a pizza or whatever. But instead of some tech giant running it, you know, it's powered by a blockchain like Cardano, let's say. Now, that's a DApp. Decentralized, transparent, and free from your corporate overlords, if you like. So no more terms of service updates that you blindly just click yes to or whatever. You know, these apps are open source and community driven. Now, they range from like swapping crypto to playing games like Doom, let's say. You know, DApps do it all. And here's the kicker. They often let you earn tokens while you use them. So imagine like getting paid to scroll TikTok, except it's real and your boss isn't watching. Now, how do DApps work on Cardano? Now, let's get into the Cardano magic. DApps rely on smart contracts, which are like robot lawyers that enforce agreements without the briefcase, obviously, because it's automated. So on Cardano, these contracts are written typically in Plutus. There are other languages, but typically in Plutus, which is like a fancy programming language. It's pretty damn secure, like way more secure than like your grandma's cookie recipe or something like that. But there's more. Cardano uses something called EUTXO model. Now, think of it as a super organized filing cabinet for transactions. Every coin has a history and nothing gets lost in all the chaos that's going on. It's efficient, secure, and it lets DApps run like a dream. So while other blockchains are chugging coffee to keep up, Cardano's sipping tea, cool as you like. Examples of DApps on Cardano. No, so what's cooking in the Cardano DApps kitchen? Let's taste test a few. So DeFi, so that's decentralized finance. You know, DApps like lending platforms or trading hubs let you ditch the bank and manage your own money, like peer-to-peer. So it's like Wall Street, but without the suits or the fees. Identity management. Imagine a digital identity you control. So no more begging Facebook for your data back. Cardano DApps are making privacy a priority. Gaming, yep, there's games. There's games where you can earn crypto while, I don't know, slaying dragons or building empires, whatever it is you're doing there. It's like your childhood arcade, but with staking rewards. And I mean, these are just like, think of it like the appetizers, you know. The Cardano ecosystem is serving up a full buffet, if you like, of DApps. And it's growing fast. Why Cardano for DApps? So yeah, why is Cardano the DApp darling? You know, first, it's secure. Evidence peer-reviewed, so it's less beta test and more solid, essentially. Second, it's scalable, so it can handle the crowd without breaking a sweat too much. And then third, it's green, so it's a proof of stake system, and it uses probably less energy than your TV. So, but Cardano is basically the blockchain equivalent of that friend who's always ready. You know, they're reliable, efficient, and they're ready for anything. And that's why developers are coming over here en masse. Getting started with DApps on Cardano. So you ready to dip your toes in? You know, grab a Cardano wallet like Daedalus, which is a full node wallet, or Yoroi for a light wallet. Load it with some ADA, obviously, and just explore. Check out Cardano's hubs or community sites to find DApps that sort of spark your interest. I mean, a good tip, research before you leap in. You know, crypto's an adventure, but it's not all rainbows and unicorns. So start small, have fun, and then you can become like a DApp pro. Conclusion. I mean, that's pretty much a scoop on DApps with Cardano. They're decentralized, innovative, and proof that the future's looking pretty darn good, actually. So whether you're a newbie or a seasoned hodler, if you like, there's a dApp out there waiting to kind of wow you, I guess. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out on our next crypto adventure. Got a favourite dApp or burning question? Drop it in the comments. I'm listening. And one last thing. If you want to support Adapulse and keep Cardano thriving, delegate your ADA to ATM Stake Pool. You'll earn rewards and I'll keep making videos and we'll win. But thanks for watching, guys. Stay curious and I'll see you in the next decentralized adventure.